Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. 4 years ago, we made the decision to go vegan. It was the best decision we ever made.
We were motivated by the environment, by health, animals, and social justice.
But people kept asking us why we made that decision. Why did we go vegan? Why have we made it our mission to help more people eat more plants?
They had loads of really valid questions for us. Questions about avocados. Is it vegan to wear a leather belt? Should vegans eat vegan meat, or is that just heresy?
Heresy?
Yeah.
It's a good word, dude.
It is.
Well done. Where do we get our protein from? I get asked that all the time.
All the time.
Protein, B12, what makeup should we wear? Should we drive cars? How do you travel and eat vegan meals on the go? So many questions.
Now, people wanted to know how we went about living vegan and how they could try it too, whether it was for just one meal or for some areas or for everything that they do in their life.
And so we wrote a book. We've been sweating away over this for months to tell you just that. All our top tips for why and how to live vegan, or just a little bit vegan.
It's World Environment Day today, so what better way to announce this book, which is all geared up to help you save the planet and feel amazing.
One of our favourite people, Sir David Attenborough, did a documentary recently where he told us all the number one thing we can do to reduce our impact on the environment is reduce our consumption of meat and dairy. So whoever you are, whatever your story, whoever you live with, if you're looking to just lower your impact on the environment a little bit, eat more vegan meals, make more sustainable decisions, this book is for you.
Now, the book is called How to Live Vegan, Save the Planet and Feel Amazing. And the cover, which has never been seen before, looks like this.
Drum roll. Oh, that's a beautiful thing. This gorgeous book comes out in September. You can get the link to pre-order below. In fact, our mate Martha did a lovely illustration on the cover. Thank you, Martha.
In this book, we're looking at all aspects of vegan living, about what to eat, what small changes to make, what kind of impact you'll have on the environment.
We've covered everything from food to toiletries to travel. Loads of easy tips, simple hacks to help you live a more sustainable life.
We passionately believe that we can all make a difference. Get this book for yourself. Get this book for a friend. Get this book if you're already vegan. Get this book if you're thinking about becoming vegan.
Do you know, we actually wrote it as something you could give to your family if they're wondering why you went vegan.
Live vegan, save the planet, feel amazing.
You can pre-order this book today, and we've teamed up with Waterstones where you can order a limited edition signed copy.
What are you waiting for? Get yours now.
Bish,
Bash,
BOSH!